Cancer. Have any of your family members been diagnosed with cancer? Could you be harboring the same risks? Would you like to find out your risk today? If yes, then INFOHaem Can 12 is the answer for you. Knowing your risks in advance not only provides peace of mind, it provides an opportunity for you to be more proactive in managing your health. The test comes with recommendations by our highly qualified medical doctors on steps that you can take to help you reduce the risk according to your unique profile. So, how does all this work? It's your genetic makeup that makes you the individual you are. The genes in your body send cellular instructions on which proteins are to be made for all your body functions. Each one of us inherits a set of genes from our father and a set of genes from our mother. These instructions are stored in a long chain structure called deoxyribonucleic acid, or simply known as DNA. The entire DNA sequence is called the genome, and the human genome has 3.2 billion base pairs. If you were to unwrap the DNA helix structure, it stretches up to 6 feet. DNA is shaped like a ladder that is twisted into a helix structure. The steps of the ladder are made of 4 chemical bases called adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. The entire DNA chain repeats itself with these 4 chemical bases. The sequence determines your phenotype, such as the color of your hair, whether it is straight or curly, your height, the color of your eyes, and others. With 3.2 billion base pairs, do you know that we are 99.9% identical in our DNA? The 0.1% is what makes each one of us unique in our own way. The same can be applied for our predisposition to diseases. The difference in the 0.1% DNA sequence can also indicate if you are at risk of certain diseases, like cancer. All cancers start from DNA damage, which is also known as mutations. Each individual's predisposition to cancers will differ, and we can determine the risk by undergoing genetic screening to compare our genotypes and to help us understand the individual's risk. Some DNA damages are inherited while others are not. As mentioned, we have 1 copy of gene from our father and 1 copy of gene from our mother. When 1 copy of our gene has been damaged, the other copy of gene can repair the damage. However, if the second copy of gene is functioning inefficiently in its repairing mechanism, then you may be at high risk of developing cancer early in life. In addition, exposure to environmental factors such as cigarette smoke, eating unhealthy processed foods, and lack of exercise can contribute to the development of certain types of cancers. Now there is a way to find out if these factors are a concern to you and your family. A molecular screening test called INFOHaem Can 12 looks at certain factors in your DNA sequence. INFOHaem Can 12 can indicate if you are predisposed genetically and at the same time evaluates other external factors that may contribute to the overall risk of developing cancer. A special algorithm is used to calculate the combined effect of genetic and clinical factors that give you the clinical molecular risk for cancer. Contact us today for more information. Prevention is better than cure.